It's a miserable day in Rochester, outside the former headquarters of Kodak. Actually, I think it's still the current. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, it's pretty awful out. It's March. It's 25 degrees out. It's still snowing. Late March, too, must I add. But I'm going to go check out an old abandoned factory on Factory Street. Shout out to Java's coffee today. Alright, here's like the first abandoned building I came upon. I've actually never noticed this one. It's got like an old like scaffolding structure above it. I never noticed this in the car before, so I walked down here. There's a bunch of tires. It goes in now, and you can see, but it's a lot of like just garbage, man. Like tons and tons of garbage. But you do go in, like, you see this old staircase behind me. Machinery, some kind. Definitely a weird place to be. Super full of garbage, though. I don't really want to like spend that much time in here. Cause yeah, just a bunch of garbage. Still, I don't know what this was. I'll have to look it up later. And also, when it's around, actually these stairs. I come off on this little like edge right here. The light would adjust. The Kodak building is like in the background. I'll definitely get a picture of it later. This is great. Looking back, where we came from. Out that way. Just a weird part of the city to be in. Here's like a forward-facing view of the steps. They're concrete. They're painted recently, actually, too. I have to imagine this was being used not that long ago. It's like a conveyor belt. Again, I did not do my research before this. I just had seen this before. So decided to come check it out. But otherwise, creepy, weird, old abandoned factory of unknown age, abandoned in Rochester, New York. Full of garbage. Yeah. You can like do a pretty sweet like album or like band shoot right here. There we go. It's a good band pick. Could be a mixtape. Could be a metal album. Good pick right here. Alright. You can't probably see it all, but it's very, very snowing out today. There's a factory, like bigger factory in the background. I'll probably come back another time and check this bigger spot out because it's snowing, it's cold. Doing this solo today too. It's not like a super sketchy place, I mean it kind of is. But definitely a place you'd probably rather be with like another human being. So anyway, I'll come back to this one. So this part is owned by RG&E, and I think it's like fairly like staffed too, actually. Like, I think people do work there, and that is also part of the like Genesee River Gorge that is under the Rock the Riverway plan. That could be like a state park down here. So I don't know if it would include this bad boy abandoned factory back here, but I don't know. Maybe they'll repurpose it or tear it down, or it could be full of carcinogens. You know, for all we know. Snowing hard.